Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
There's no way.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall.
No way.
What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 112 of the weekly portfolio update. So hopefully you guys are doing awesome. I definitely am. I think this is the week that we will hit the milestone of making $3,000 in dividends, which is very exciting. So if hopefully if you saw a little clip at the very beginning, then we definitely hit that milestone. But you know, it's exciting coming back every week, seeing this passive income continue to grow. Remember that we do have you know, our quarterly dividends continue to grow much larger and larger. Every single week we come back, no matter what the portfolio is doing, if it's down or it's up or it's just stagnant. Really the thing that's growing is these projections. The quarterlies are updated every 3 months, but the projections continue to grow every week. Every Sunday we come back, and you know, you will see how much this actually grew by the end of the video. But yeah, we are growing this passive income. Remember that we do get some qualified dividends, which is very exciting. In this update, I do have a couple things I do want to cover. First one is going to be you know, what we bought, what we did this week in M1. Remember that the market has been selling off, especially for tax loss harvesting is what they're doing now. And so, you know, we're going to take those opportunities and continue to buy the dip. You know, for some of the companies we are down, and you know, I'm fine because we are long-term investors and we don't mind buying great companies at a you know, discount. But the other thing aside from that is I'm going to give you guys an update on ONL for Realty's spin-off that they did do a company. So I'll give you guys an update on that, you know, when they expect to pay a dividend, and if it will be monthly or quarterly. So we will jump into that in a bit, and then we'll wrap up the video with you know, kicking off the script, seeing how much our dividend snowball grew this week, and see if we actually hit that new milestone. But let's go ahead and get started, guys. So first thing is the portfolio is at $204,814.05. You'll see that so far we have about $5.91 in our available cash balance. This is actually from a dividend that paid us on Friday, so this will get reinvested on Monday morning. I'm gonna go ahead and put that trade for, you know, tonight. That's one of the things I do like about M1. I can go ahead and put these trades and then it'll just get executed during the trading window. So as well, if you guys have been interested in, you know, signing up for M1, be sure to check out my referral link. They're doing a promotion right now for $50 when you sign up. All you have to do is deposit $100. So that's about 50% you know, return on your investment right away. But if we look at the value over time, guys, if we look at the 1 month, you'll see we've been going up. We hit about a total of 211,000, and then we continued going down, up, down, and then we're actually down at a 204,000. If we look at the 1 quarter, we have been going up. Remember back in September we were way down to like the 180s. So, you know, we have been going upwards, but now we're doing some sell-off. We will see what happens in the month of December, in January. So, you know, hopefully we do see some sell-off, and then we're gonna just continue going back upwards, because we're going to continue to dollar cost average every single week. And you see the trend over the long term is that it continues to grow and grow, and overall, you know, we're just seeing that graph going upwards, which is super exciting and motivating, coming back every single week. But yeah, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys what I did this week. So if I find out the actual date for this past week was the 29th of November, which if we type that in, we will see what we ended up doing. So on the 29th, I did one buy, $16.63. So this was a dividend from Starbucks that we just reinvested, and then a dividend on the 1st of December. We got American Waterworks, $6.99. And then we deposited $1,200. This is for M1 Borrow, so we can ignore this. And then we deposited $240 so we could dollar cost average into the weekly buys that we do. On the 2nd, we ended up doing 5 buys. And so we bought $100 worth of Altria, $50 worth of Visa, and then we reinvested the dividend from American Waterworks plus $20 because they did pay us a dividend, and then Honeywell because they will pay us a dividend, and then Lockheed Martin we just bought $50. You know, we will be buying these companies while they are down. So on the 3rd, this is just M1 Borrow payment fee that we will be paying off later in the future. And then on the 3rd, we got that dividend from Honeywell, $5.91, which it should reinvest back into itself on Monday morning, guys, and we should buy some more shares from that. But that was a pretty great month. I mean, not great month, but great week. Let's see how much we made in passive income this week. So click calculate. So we made $12.90, guys. That is pretty awesome. If you guys are interested in this little button thing, I did create a script and I have a tutorial for it. It's completely free. All I ask is that you subscribe with that bell notification, as well as you drop a big thumbs up on the video to help out the channel. That's all I ask in return. But the first thing, guys, that we are going to go over now after this is that we're going to talk about O&L. So O&L is the company that spun off from Realty Income. If we look at our real estate pie here, you will see that it's still showing as $0, right? And so from our shares, I believe we got about 6 shares. Well, thanks to Dustin. Dustin actually pointed out that O&L is actually going to be in your holdings page, and you need to actually send an email to M1, and they will move it to your REITs pie if you do have a REITs, you know, or real estate sub pie, and they can do that. So thanks so much, Dustin, for pointing that out. You know, I will be sending them an email this week. I was planning to do it this past week, but I got busy with a couple other things. But we will see, and I'll give you guys an update next week, see if it actually shows up in the real estate pie. But yeah, right now, currently it's showing up as 0. If we look at our holdings, and I'm probably going to do by maybe unrealized gains, you'll see that we do see the O&L shares, 6 shares that we have, and there's nothing unrealized, and so we will have to email M1. I'm going to go ahead and do that this coming week, and hopefully I can give you that update next Sunday. But the other thing that I have been asked about is, will O&L pay a dividend? And so I went to O&L's website under the investor frequently asked questions, and if we scroll down, there's actually one question that they do ask: does Orion Office REITs pay a dividend? The company expects that its board of directors will set a dividend policy starting Q1 of 2022. It expects that it will declare the dividend on a quarterly basis. So no monthly dividend for us, but it will be a quarterly dividend probably in Q1. So we will see how awesome that will be. So, you know, we don't know how much they'll be paying out, but stay tuned. Once I know the exact number, I will let you guys know. So yeah. But this actually wraps up the Orion update that I was going to show you guys. You know, right now, so far, what I want to show you guys is on the Google Sheets. So we are going to hit this new milestone. So it's definitely exciting seeing how much we grew this. So I'm going to go over here to the latest dividend payout, and we're going to kick off these scripts to see if we got any new declared dividends. So 59 was the latest dividend. Portfolio tools, get latest dividends. Again, I do have tutorials for all this stuff if you guys are interested. All I ask is that you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and that you drop a big thumbs up on the videos. That's all I ask in return. But it's currently running. We're going to see if any new companies declare dividends for the upcoming months, and it's exciting seeing these dividends come in. But it looks like it's done. There was actually no declared dividends this week. But yeah, so far for December, we are going to start getting paid this week from Pfizer, Southern Companies, Johnson & Johnson, Visa, Microsoft, 3M, Skyworks, guys, this is going to be an awesome month for dividends for December, especially with all the sell-offs. We're just going to be reinvesting these dividends and buying more shares, so it's super awesome. As well, if you will look at the right, you see all the dividend raises we've got for doing absolutely nothing besides just holding great companies. I'm going to go over here to settings, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to jump over to personal capital, and we will grab the latest version of our portfolio holdings. So I will see you guys over there. Alright guys, so we're here at personal capital, and I have this green button. Click on it. What it does is it copies the holdings from your portfolio NM1 to your clipboard. Then we can jump back over to the Google Sheets, right click, paste special, values only, and then we are good to go. If we go over here to holdings, guys, and then you'll see these are our current holdings, but we need to kick off the script so that it can use the new version we just pasted in there. So update portfolio holdings, click on it, everything will get wiped, and then we can go over here to the dashboard and then wait for it to see. And it looks like we actually hit our milestone, guys, $3,006.30. How awesome is that, guys? We hit our milestone. We still have about 4 more weeks before the end of the year. Let's see how much we can actually get it by the 31st of December, but we definitely hit that new milestone. So you know, it's exciting seeing this grow, guys. If you guys stuck all the way to the very end of the video, be sure to drop a hashtag milestone. We will see what type of goals we have for 2022, how much we want to achieve, and you know, we will hit these new milestones every single year, hopefully, you know, especially with dividend growth investing, because those dividends are going to continue to pour no matter what the market is doing. And again, be sure to drop a big thumbs up on the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification if you haven't done so, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there, bye guys.